SMS is an easy-to-use but powerful messaging tool with a phenomenal 98% open rate, making it your go-to for driving employee engagement, ensuring team safety, and streamlining recruitment. SMS can benefit HR teams in many ways, but let's start where most of your team members start, as a candidate. And we'll see how SMS improves recruitment strategies directly. First, use text messaging to boost attendance at recruitment events with scheduled reminders. Second, SMS keeps candidates engaged throughout the entire recruitment process. And third, use two-way texting to conveniently field individual questions from candidates directly over text. Now that SMS has reinvigorated your recruitment efforts, let's look at what it can do for onboarding. 1. Use personalization tokens to make new employees feel welcome. 2. Quickly send links to important onboarding forms and paperwork. And finally, schedule SMS reminders for important deadlines and due dates. Congratulations, you successfully onboarded a new employee, and the whole process was faster and easier thanks to SMS. Now let's take a look at how starting an employee text messaging system can reimagine your employee engagement. First, SMS can make short work of filling open shifts and addressing last-minute schedule changes. Second, text message employee communications will make annual benefits enrollment periods a snap. And finally, thanks to its instant push notification nature, text messaging is the most effective way to notify employees of everything from office closures to critical safety alerts. All in all, SMS is a powerful text alert system for employees, and we didn't even mention drip campaigns, autoresponders, SMS employee surveys, or Teammate Manager for secure individual team member access.
Try it free at easytexting.com/start.